In our last video, we showed you how to create the scorecard structure, how to set the targets of performance for the metrics and so forth. I want to show you another method of pulling a scorecard structure into the application without manually going through all those steps. So we're going to put a scorecard right here on the city government. You can see that we don't have one there now. No scorecard exists for this organization. And I'm going to show you how we do that using a product called Connect. It's an application module that comes with the software. There's no charge for it. And it allows us to import either scorecard structures or scorecard data. In this case, I'm going to pull in the structure from an Excel spreadsheet, and I'm going to specify that this is the scorecard, not the values for the metrics. So we'll go out and find, I've got a scorecard out there, scorecard structure, a spreadsheet out there that is the city BSC structure. And so I'm going to open up that spreadsheet. You'll see what content is in the spreadsheet as I click on the source data here. And so the spreadsheet in this case has the name of the scorecard, the perspectives, the objectives, all of the metrics, the frequency or period that we're going to collect the data, the aggregation type, the data type. Pretty simple spreadsheet. And then over here we have the targets of performance. Where do we want it to turn red? Where do we want it to turn green for each individual metric? So fairly simple spreadsheet. We fill that out, and then we specify what organizational node or organizational structure, where do we want to put it. We're going to put this on the city government. You'll notice it picks up automatically that the Recreation and Housing Department don't have any scorecards either, but we don't want it to put it there. We want to put it at the city government level. And so then we specify our mapping, and now we're done with the wizard. And so now we can run this. But before I do, I want to go back over here and show you the city government does not have a scorecard. So let's go back over to Connect and let's run that process now. And it tells us it's running the import, and it'll take a few seconds. Once it's done running the import, we'll get a little indication here that we've had success. So that's done. Now let's go back over to the scorecard product. We look at the city government, and you'll notice now that we have a blue dot, which indicates there is a scorecard here. When I expand this, you'll see that we've got all of those objectives and metrics imported from the spreadsheet very, very easily. So keeping in line with our mantra here, that really is strategy made simple. Thanks for watching.